Today, we're going to talk about a pretty wild creative sprint. It's the story of one creator's mission to build and launch a brand new AI product every single week. I mean, just think about that for a second. The coding, the design, the launch, every 7 days, like clockwork. It sounds pretty much impossible, right? Well, that's the exact challenge we're about to dig into, so let's get into it. So, let's meet AI Neat. He's the creator who decided to go on this absolutely wild 8-week journey. And the goal? It wasn't just about building stuff. It was about rapidly exploring the very edges of what AI can actually do for us. And let me tell you, the pace was just relentless. I mean, week after week, a totally new idea came to life. Here's just a little taste of the sprint. It kicked off with a personal memory assistant in week 1. Then, by week 4, it evolved into an AI that actually understands your personal context, and it wrapped up with a super powerful research assistant. The sheer variety here is just incredible. So, what did he actually build during the sprint? Let's take a quick look at a few of these products, just so you can get a feel for the incredible range of this creative explosion. Okay, first up, we've got Memento AI. The whole idea here is basically to create an external memory for yourself. It's an AI companion that can capture your conversations, your daily interactions, and then turn all of that into meaningful, searchable insights. Just imagine never forgetting a key detail from a meeting or, a brilliant idea you had while you were out on a walk. Next is Kindred AI, and this one tackles a very real, very human problem, finding things to do with your kids that they'll actually get excited about. The AI learns what your children are into and then recommends local activities, which totally takes the guesswork out of planning family weekends. Now, Context AI, this is where the ambition really gets dialed up. Think about it. We all have our digital lives scattered everywhere. Chat histories, emails, random notes. This tool aims to pull all of that together into one single AI assistant that has the complete context of you. That allows for some truly personal and intelligent conversations. And finally, check out research-ai. For any student or academic listening, this is a total game changer. You can upload a really dense research paper and basically just have a conversation with it. You can ask it for explanations, you can find connections between ideas, and get deep analysis, making really complex information so much more accessible. But here's the thing. Building 8 products in 8 weeks, that does way more than just fill out a portfolio. It actually leads to a pretty profound realization. See, the creator discovered that the true potential of AI wasn't what he thought it was at the start. And this is the core shift in his thinking. Most of us see AI as a tool for empowering execution. It helps us do stuff faster, like writing code or banging out social media posts. But through this challenge, the focus totally shifted to empowering cognition, using AI not just to do, but to help us think on a much deeper level. This quote from the creator just nails the whole insight. He realized that in a world where AI can execute tasks almost instantly, the real bottleneck for progress isn't how fast we can do things anymore. It's the depth of our thinking. So this led to a whole new mission, to build what he started calling cognitive tools. And these aren't just about automation. No, they're designed to be partners in our thinking process, tools that help us better understand the world around us and, just as important, help us better understand ourselves. And this all brings us to the final and, I think, the most powerful insight from this entire 8-week journey. The act of building these AI tools, well, it became a direct path to personal growth. Think of it like this. To build an AI that can research something effectively, you first have to clearly define what good research even looks like. You have to break down your own thinking process into tiny little pieces. So in teaching the AI, you're forced to refine and improve your own mental models. The AI becomes a mirror, reflecting your own way of thinking right back at you. In building AI, we actually end up building better versions of ourselves. So the creator leaves us with this final, really thought-provoking question. As we build these tools that learn from us, and as we learn from the process of building them, what hidden strengths, what sharper thoughts, what better version of yourself would you find looking back at you in that mirror?